Most people see the blur. I see the physics. I'm Brian Teacher. Let's get to work.
Welcome to Full Court Tennis, Vision to Reality. I'm Brian Teacher, Australian Open champ, longtime coach, and founder of the Full Court Tennis app and website. When I look at tennis courts across the country today, I see a massive epidemic. Everyone starts their session with mini tennis or short court hitting. It is supposed to be the foundational anchor of your practice, but literally nobody is doing it properly. All I see is lazy footwork. They stand completely flat-footed, flicking their wrists, acting like they're just exercising their arms. Let me be brutally honest. What they are doing is an illusion of work. It's junk food practice. It might feel like you're hitting balls, but it has absolutely zero nutritional value for your game. In fact, playing lazy mini tennis actually makes you worse. You are actively programming a virus into your muscle memory before you even step back to the baseline. Today, we're going to look at these facts of how the warm-up actually works, why you cannot copy the pros on a practice court, and how to finally connect your brain to your feet. Let's get to work. Why are we even playing in the short courts? If you look at the absolute facts of biomechanics, this isn't about just warming up the strings. The stated goal of mini tennis is neuromuscular activation. The entire goal is synaptic firing. You are organizing your brain so it starts communicating with your feet. Now, this doesn't mean you are taking a massive explosive split step like you would on a 100-mile-an-hour baseline rally. It is about keeping your feet incredibly light. You're constantly making micro adjustments so you are perfectly in balance. Pivot your foot, you feel the balance shift from one leg to the other, you coil your torso, and you pull your swing through. Mini tennis is a strict discipline. You have to actively press the ground with your feet and load your hips, just with less energy so the ball stays in the short court. You use your normal swing path to maximize topspin, but you never just arm the ball. If you're standing flat-footed and just flicking your wrist, you're completely bypassing the kinetic chain. A big reason why players and coaches get this so wrong is because when they go to a tournament and they walk past the practice courts and they watch the pros warm up, you might see guys out there kicking a tennis ball like a soccer ball in the service bus, or you see a guy like Roger Federer warming up the serve by casually stepping way over the baseline, just effortlessly guiding the ball. Or you might see him up at net, just flat-footed, hitting his volleys. But, you have to understand the reality. Those guys, they've hit 10 million balls in their lifetime. They're consummate professionals. Their kinetic chains are so deeply hardwired into their neurology that they can warm up sloppily and still be perfectly connected. They can hit the ball off their little toe and still hit it beautifully. You cannot copy that casual style. If you're still learning and trying to develop your game, you have to practice it right to build those good habits. Even though I won a major, I didn't have the sheer raw natural talent of those guys. If I didn't practice perfectly, my strokes didn't go right in a match. I had to rely on pristine habits 100% of the time. If your feet aren't tied into your swing during the warm-up, they won't be tied in when the pressure hits. So why is this so hard for players? Because we're living in the smartphone age. Kids live with their heads and their screens. They aren't outside playing multiple sports, throwing baseballs, or running around developing raw athletic coordination. Their natural kinetic chains are broken. Because they lack innate coordination, they have to actively think about it. They have to connect their brain to their feet on purpose. Mini tennis is the exact place you do that. And yet the majority of coaches just let them stand there and flick the ball around because they don't know how to successfully teach coordination. It is a massive coaching failure. To fix this, I want you to think back to the medicine ball drill. When you throw a heavy medicine ball or even a light one, you can't just use your arms. Everything is about the coil and the uncoil of your feet and your torso. Your arm just lags behind and gets pulled through by the core. It is the exact same biomechanics in mini tennis. You pivot, you load your feet, you uncoil with your torso and the arm trails. It's very simple mechanical formula, but it must be exact. If you want to know if your brain is actually communicating with your feet, you have to look at the tape. That's exactly what the Full Court Tennis app and website is for. Have someone record your mini tennis warm-up. Are your feet staying light? Are you pivoting, loading your hips and uncoiling your torso, pulling the swing through with your legs? Or are you just eating junk food, standing there flat-footed and slapping the ball with your arm and wrist? Upload that video to the Full Court Tennis app. Our certified coaches will show you exactly where your kinetic chain is breaking down and how to fix your neuromuscular activation. Link is in the description. Here is your checklist to fix your mini tennis warm-up today. Stop the junk food practice. Treat the short court as a strict discipline for neuromuscular activation. Keep the feet light. You don't need a massive split step. Focus on pivoting, perfect balance, and feeling the weight transfer. Don't copy the casual pro. You haven't hit 10 million balls yet. Focus on your footwork and build pristine habits on every single shot. Don't let an illusion of work ruin your baseline game. Organize your brain, move your feet, build the chain. Look at me right now and be brutally honest. When you step on the court for mini tennis, are you actually pivoting your feet and loading your hips? Or are you just eating junk food and flicking your wrist? I want to hear from you. Drop your confession in the comments below right now. If this breakdown changed the way you view your warm-up today, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Then go to download the Full Court Tennis app. I'm Brian Teacher. Let's go get it. Let's get to work.